Okay guys, I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what's going on here in the shop. We're in the garage part of the shop because I needed to put this together to mock it up so that I can start getting ready to measure and cut all the parts for the doors. So we're gonna have the upper unit is gonna have a door on the outermost towers. The bottom is gonna have two doors on both sides of the cabinets here. And the way I designed it was everything is gonna be flush here. There's gonna be a window seat here that goes to the rest of the wall underneath the window. That's gonna have storage on the bottom. But we're gonna have two doors on this side of the cabinet, two doors here on the lower cabinet. But what I did was made sure everything lines up here so that this outermost door here will line up exactly with this upper outermost door on that tower, and the same on this side. The middle is going to be open, just with exposed adjustable shelves, and we're going to have the enclosed unit on the bottom and the outermost sides. I'm going to wrap the top with some crown. This is going to be wrapped with some, probably, I'm going to make a molding. I'm probably going to chamfer it, maybe make a little bit of a cove on it. We'll see what kind of profile the client wants. The bottom, when I install it, you can see in the back there, I have it supported. It's not going to tip over, but just, for extra support, I put some shims and blocks under it. That cutout there is for the baseboard heat. I'm going to be taking off the cover of the baseboard heat, and this is going to slide straight over those exposed coils. And the heat is going to be transferred out through the baseboard here, because once everything's installed, I'm going to make cutouts and install those grates, those heating grates that'll allow the heat to escape through the bottom in the wintertime. This way it doesn't really lose any of the baseboard heat that's in the room. We want to make sure that all that's exposed coming through and radiating through the floor. This way they still have heat and they still cover up the built-ins, because that's the only wall they could have put this on. All right, guys, I hope you guys are sticking around for all the YouTube videos. The cabinet series is up. I show you how I make all this stuff. The next video I'm going to be uploading is going to be how to make these face frames and install them. And then I'm going to get started now on the doors, so make sure you stay tuned for that video.